welcome back to my channel. Here with this one again. So today, as you can see, my sister Shami, yes, is going to be rating my scents. I did one with my husband before. I'm pretty sure if you didn't check that out, I'm going to link it down below, so go ahead and check that out. So I just got a new Scentbird package in the mail. Yes, Scentbird. I've been rocking with them for a long time, and it's just a very convenient subscription service. And as usual, she has to interrupt me.
They're not hearing what I'm doing.
Yes, they are.
No.
You only pay $15 monthly. Yes, $15 US. Yes, so you can definitely you can also upgrade. So with that, you get to choose one designer fragrance each month. I feel like this is a really cool service, as I always mentioned before, because it gives you a nice, cool, inexpensive introduction to using any designer fragrance of your choice without actually committing to paying the actual price, if you get what I mean. So you're getting a small size of the designer fragrance, and you can go ahead and test it out and see if you really like it, you know, before you actually go ahead and spend the big bucks. So I feel like that's really good. It's kind of like dating, you know, before actually committing. You can also upgrade your subscription if you want more fragrances, where you can get like 2 or 3, and with each bottle that you get, each product that you get, the supply lasts up to 30 days. So you can get like 120 to 140 sprays out of each bottle. So that's pretty cool. So this is how the packaging looks. As usually, comes in this nice little black velvety bag, and it says Scentbird New York on the front. It has like a drawstring thingy at the top, so you can just open that and pull out your fragrance, and this is it. This is how it looks. You twist it up and then you pull it out of the packaging, and then you can see exactly what you got for that month. On the front, all the information is there, and then you can go ahead and slip that back in, twist it down, and put it back in your bag. So this is very easy and convenient to carry around in your purse. Yeah. All right, so the first one that I'm gonna check out is, it came in this nice pretty green bottle. All right, cool. Wait, now I'm gonna tell them. All right, you tell them. You tell them.
It is Philosophy Amazing Grace Magnolia.
Okay.
Let's see.
It's for me. You're gonna rate my scents. This girl's hot. All right, cool. I'm gonna try yours the first.
This smells like my Just beard.
It smells weird.
This is so good. This fresh. Like this is fresh.
It's really good.
This smells good. Give me a little.
Don't finish the thing.
When you walk past people around, you know, this, they might be like, smell fresh.
No, this smells really good. Oh my god. You think so up. It's really nice. It's so good. How much you rate it out of 10?
It's expensive. Maybe it's a 10.5 out of 10. Yes, it smells like my things.
What?
Go for the next one.
It's right here. Alright, so cool. Oh, by the way, I only got 3 this month. 3 cents this month. So, yeah. Alright, so this is the second one. And came in this nice little rose gold like packaging. And this is Eli Tahari. Okay. So I'm gonna spray it like right here. No, right here. No, because I'm gonna have to save that air. Yo, she can't jump the gun. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. This smell nice.
This reminds me of one. This smells good.
Wow.
What is it?
No, this is not. Guys, oh wish you could. Okay, let me tell you. You have like a fruity, nice, fresh scent. It's not overly fruity.
Manly in a sense.
Kinda ish, but it's very feminine too. I don't know. The strength of it is it's very distinctive. What I would say wear this for the evening time. But how much you rate it out of 10?
This, can I get a 7.5?
Why? How?
No.
I give this a 9 out of 10. It's like so good. Like Scentbird. This is the final one and it's a purple packaging. Twist this out. What?
And this one is a Burberry. My Burberry. Right?
The girl said no.
Okay,
wait. I'm in the left-handed dinner, girl. Okay. Ready?
I'm not gonna tell my lie. This smell like something for more mature people.
Yeah, for true. But it's like it's a little bit of floral and fruity, but more mature.
Yeah.
So how much I give it?
I give it a 5.
I'll give it a 6 because, as I said, it's for a more mature crowd. It's really, really nice.
I ain't mature.
Yeah.
I'm 18. Okay, I give it a 5.
No, but these, all in all though, these scents are really lit. Of
My
course.
favorite is Philosophy, hands down.
It was lit. It was lit. I believe it was month before last. I got 6 and they were bomb. But these 3, oh my gosh, they're amazing.
When I smell Philosophy, I think about the song, I'm so clean like Jesus. So clean like Jesus in them white tees. It just so white.
Right. It's and so, yeah.
Just fresh. It's fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh too. It's really nice. That would be my top pick for sure. Yeah. And right now I'm going on the road real quick. So you know who is going to be on this. Yeah. Wait, them still 120 to 104. How much sprays? I need this to last me for a little bit. I think I'm definitely going to have to get the. All right. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video where my sister
go and buy Philosophy, guys. Philosophy.
Oh yeah, I'm going to link all the fragrances that I just tried down below in the description box. And yes, you can get 30% off of your Scentbird subscription now if you use my code PETITE30. Go ahead, use that. It will be down below again, so check that out. All the necessary links, everything will be down below. Please go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Original Batman. It's Standard. She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl a coming on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard.